Hey guys. Look, I got a pancake too. So, I haven't made a video in a while, and I'm really sorry about that. I have no excuse. Guilty as charged. Well, I'm just gonna start off by saying that... Blubber. Blubber's my new cuss word. So I'm just gonna start off by saying that this video doesn't really have a point at all. Let's get into it. Scared myself on that one. You know, I almost fell out of my bed last night. True story. I had a dream where I was like cutting a branch. Cause that's how you cut things. I wasn't holding on to anything. There was nothing around me to hold on to. So it wasn't my fault, alright? I just fell. I tripped, alright? That's just it. And I fell backwards. And then I woke up and I was sitting up on my bed and I was like... And I had an awkward silence with myself. So, like, I was just there with myself, like, did you really just do that? You just entirely embarrassing yourself. You buried yourself. You buried yourself, okay? Because, like, you know, I can't just let that go. I gotta put it on YouTube, you know? Oh, yeah, by the way, sorry that I just banged my hands so many times, like... Itchy now. My cat's fat. Oh no, I'll go get him. I didn't find him, but here's a picture of him right there. Don't copy it because that'd be weird. He's mine, not yours. Stay away from him. I don't even know you. Get away from my cat. My cat. Get away from my cat. I think I just heard running water. I'm here alone. Not anymore. Hello? If you're here for a delivery, I don't want any. Maybe I do. If you're here to murder me, can you wait? I'll be about done. You can... Ooh, I almost died there. No need to murder me. I almost choked on my spit. If you want to watch, you can just, yeah, sit right there. Yeah, I did just have a conversation with Mineko. Anyways, my cat, is that what we're talking about? He's fat. He's like fat, like, he's not fat, he's big bone, sorry. I gotta do something with that. That's hilarious. Ow. I think I broke my ankle. I twisted my ankle in the leg. And then when the chair, not my leg. That'd be weird. Midnight is called midnight because it's the middle of the night. It's crazy. And noon is just a whole other mess. I'm just gonna stay back here now. Guys, I need you to comment, please. Like, comment down below. I'll answer back. Just ask a random question, like, what's your favorite chicken color? I'd say green, so don't ask that question. You already know the answer. My favorite chicken color. You can ask favorite rooster color, though. That's a whole different story. But yeah, comment below, please. Actually, I gotta make sure comments are turned on. Because I don't know. I'll try to turn them on.